everybody, today we're making some slime.
What do we got?
We got this bowl. It's looking like a pumpkin. Yum, yum, yum.
We got activator.
We got activator and fruit coloring. Look! How beautiful them.
And what about the toys for the slime?
Look at this.
Okay.
It's so fun.
First thing we need to do is get
So,
two cups of water. Okay,
2 cups of water.
Ready for 2 cups
You
of
take my golden water.
Yeah.
You take my lucky water.
Yeah.
Why?
It's faster.
It's faster?
Yeah, let me pour it for you. Okay.
2 cups.
1.
Look, it's filling up. Be careful.
Okay.
You do it with your adults.
Yeah, do we need
Because
adults?
yeah,
Okay.
we don't get scared.
You want to do which color do you want?
I want pink.
Pink color. Okay. We need to add some slime powder. This is slime powder.
Hoo hoo! I'm gonna make some slime. I will
Slime
see you.
powder. We need to add 3 spoons of
3 spoons.
3 spoons.
3 spoons of that.
Yeah,
That's
3
a long time. Then we put inside. The one when I like, I put the slime in.
1.
And then with the toppings. Okay. Look,
2.
we have this for our slime. Look, we put some toppings. We put some toppings in, so we make some. I will put some toppings in. Okay.
Okay. Done.
Can I
Okay, you gotta
stir it,
cover.
Daddy?
Okay, cover and shake it. Okay.
Can I shake?
Is it getting slimy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I use the spoon?
We don't need a spoon, Jessie. You don't need a spoon anymore. Okay, which color do you want to add to the slime?
I want pink.
Okay.
Pink and white.
Okay, add.
Bigyan using gummy.
Hmm?
Tell Celine. I'm gonna use light pink.
We need pink. How many drops? 1 drop, just 1 drop. Okay,
How much?
1 drop. You put 1 drop inside.
Okay, I do the white one.
1 drop.
Squeeze it.
Oh, okay.
And do the white
Okay,
one.
white one. 1 drop. Yep, okay.
They don't splash the whole thing.
Okay, 1 drop.
1 drop. Please. 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 Don't do it. Please. Don't do it.
Done. And what
Can
else
I
do we
stir
do?
it?
Not yet, not yet. We need to add this one. We need to add activator.
Activator. Activator. We are in the relationship. I'm back, everybody. Can I stir it?
And pour in the activator, you see. Pour this one in. Okay, and then close the cap and then shake it again, okay?
How many times?
Many times.
The same time?
Wait. Turn it. Okay, shake it.
I can look at turning to pink. Get how we shake it.
Put it like that. Okay?
Can I stir it?
You don't have to stir it. Don't use a spoon. Just shake it.
Boop.
Okay, shake it. Close it for you. And then you shake it.
It's water.
It's lime. Okay, shake it.
Look at this, Daddy.
Is it like slime now?
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can try. Ooh, slimy.
Put it.
It's too much, Jessie. It's too much. Ooh, put it back. It's still wet. And play with it, your hands get wet. Is it okay? Just wash your hands after you play with it, okay?
Guess what?
Yeah. Say
Can I use
bye.
this? Bye, everybody.
Jessie's gonna play slime now.
Whee!
What's this, Jessie?
It's my slime.
Can you show me?
Look. Look at this.
You made it by yourself?
My daddy helped me to make it for me.
Yeah.